Hi, my name is Jessica, the educator for International Institute of Cosmetology's 50-hour eyelash technician course. I have 18 years of experience in building a career as a service provider. My history as a trainer for one of the biggest global lash companies, multitude of certifications, and my experience on becoming a NALA certified master educator plays a role in the challenging yet rewarding curriculum offered. My favorite part of the course emphasizes on the essential skills in face charting to customize beyond the lash mapping basics. Training also focuses on eye histology, pathology, exploration of business, and training for muscle memory for isolation and application techniques, and sanitation and safety. With Sugarlash Pro Academy for the excellent online modules to complement the theory and clinical classroom experience. I look forward to meeting you, sharing my wealth of knowledge, and most importantly, being your educator.